Scientists have just published a really interesting study. After carrying out various tests with 24 dogs, have found that they use many more facial expressions when they have a human audience, when their owners are present, even more than when they are offered an attractive stimulus such as food. Communication through facial expressions had been studied before in primates but never until now with dogs. And it is another proof of the strong social bond that exists between dogs and humans. Yes, it seems that our dogs have discovered that putting eyes is an effective strategy with humans. It is shown that the PErros know when someone is paying attention to them. For example, they are more likely to steal a chuche or a piece of food when the person with them has their eyes closed or their backs are turned. Another study showed that dogs that have been asked to lie down stay much longer like this, still, when their owner is looking at them instead of distracted reading the newspaper. With this new study, scientists wanted to see if dog expressions are just a reflection of the emotional state of the dog or if they are voluntary. For this, with a facial expression analysis system applied to the dogs, they analyzed the movements of the muscles of the face of 24 dogs of different races and ages. Each dog faced various tests. In one room there was a person with food in his hand, without food, facing or back. The presence or absence of food did not affect at all the number of facial expressions that, instead, they were directly related to the human's attention. The dogs raised their eyebrows and drew their tongues more frequently. It seems that somehow they have learned to put eyes, to enlarge their eyes, something that catches the attention of humans because it reminds babies. This could mean that these expressions have been developed by dogs to communicate more with humans than with their peers. You cannot know exactly what each of the monitored expressions mean. If the dogs only sought to manipulate the humans to get extra prizes, then the presence of the food should have translated into more facial expressions, and it was not like that. But what is proven is that they are smart enough to try to communicate only when that communication has a useful audience. Discover the quick and easy way to an obedient and healthy dog without spending hours of training and thousands of dollars in expenses. You want get free access to the videos? Send me my free training videos now. Click here below. Also, do not forget to subscribe, comment and share the video. Thank you.